What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Travis Preston, aka Mr. Travels, and I'm in Transylvania today. And more importantly, I'm in a place where I always wanted to go, which is Dracula Castle. So I'm actually in the parking lot walking up to present my my ticket so I can go inside. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take to actually record it. Let me see. The tour guide is talking, but yeah. So I'm about to present my ticket and I'll be right back with you guys. right, guys, so that concludes the walking tour of Dracula's Castle. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm actually heading back to the vehicle now. It's about a 3-hour drive back to Bucharest. So it seemed like forever. And I hate riding in cars for that damn long. But at least I'm not driving. So it is what it is. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment at the end. And I'll be coming to a city, country near you. See you next Monday.